Hello everyone, and in today's video we'll be learning another mathematical trick, especially squaring any number ending in number 2. In the previous video we have learned how to square a number ending in 1, and I have the link in the description below if it happened that you have not seen yet our first video on how to square a number ending in 1. Okay, so how do we square a number or any number ending in number 2? We will just follow 4 steps here in order for us to square a number ending in number 2. For example, I will have to square number 62, and the question is, what is the square of 62? Okay, so first thing that you should do is to subtract 2 from the number to be squared. And in our case, if our number is 62, I will subtract number 2 from 62, which will give me 60. So that is the result when I have subtracted number 2 from our original number 62. Step number 2 says square the result in step 1, and the square of 60 is equal to 6 times 6 is 36, and you will just add 2 zeros here. The answer is 3,600. Okay? Step number 3 says multiply the result in step 1 by 4 and add it to the number obtained in step 2. So the number that I have obtained in step 1 is 60. So I will multiply 60 by 4, and the answer would be 240. Okay? And another instruction here, add it to the number obtained in step 2. So in step 2 we have obtained 3,600, and I will add here the number that we have obtained by multiplying 60 by 4, which is 240. So the result will be 3,600 plus 240 is equivalent to 3,840. Okay? The very last step that we'll have here is add 4 to the result in step number 3. Our result in step number 3 is 3,840, and I will add 4 to that. So the answer will be 3,840 plus 4 is equal to, of course, 3,844. Okay, so this 3,844, this is the square of 62, in which 62 ends with number 2. So same as the trick that we have previously on how to square a number ending in number 1, we have also here 4 steps in order for us to square a number ending in number 2. We will have another example. Okay? The next number that I would like to square is 82. Okay? So for example, I have to square 82. Take note that 82 ends with number 2, so it satisfies our condition that these 4 steps will work if our number will end in number 2. Step number 1, subtract 2 from the number to be squared. So the number to be squared is 82, and I would like to subtract here number 2 to follow step number 1, and the result is 80. Okay? Step number 2 says square the result in step number 1. So the square of 80, which is 80 is the number that I have obtained in step number 1, is 8 times 8 is 64, plus 2 zeros, the answer is 6,400. Okay? Step number 3, multiply the result in step 1 by 4. So I have obtained 80 in step 1. So in other words, I have to multiply 80 by 4, in which the answer is 320. Okay? And I will add that result to the number obtained in step number 2. And previously in step number 2, we have obtained 6,400. So I will add here 320 because that is the instruction in step number 3, and the answer is 6,620. 6,720. That's easy. Okay, and step number 4 says add 4 to the result in step number 3. So in step number 3, we have obtained 6,720. I will add here 4, and the answer is 6,724. So far so good. This is now the square of 82. You can verify that by using your calculator. If really the square of 82, which is a number ending in number 2, is equal to 6,724. Thank you very much for watching. I assure that there will be some more videos like this in the future, so stay tuned to our channel for more videos to come.